In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva files into Google Slides. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentations with Canva's creative flair, or you're transitioning your design projects into another workspace, this guide will make the process seamless and straightforward. So let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial. First, make sure you have your Canva file open and ready to go. Look for the Share button at the top right corner of your Canva design page. Clicking Share will open up a range of options for exporting and sharing your file. The Share function is pivotal as it unlocks the door to various ways you can distribute or save your design, particularly to Google Slides in this instance. Once you've clicked on Share, the next crucial step is to select See All. This will bring up an array of file saving and exporting functions that Canva supports. At this point, you'll see several familiar and potentially unfamiliar logos and labels. Here's where you start narrowing down the options to your specific goal of transferring to Google Slides. The third step is to click on Google Drive. Integrating with Google Drive is a great advantage because it allows for seamless storage and immediate availability for any subsequent Google Workspace applications, including Google Slides. By choosing Google Drive, you're effectively preparing your file for the next stage of transitioning to Google Slides. Now take a moment to focus on the current file type. You'll notice various file format options are available, suitable for different purposes. Your goal here is to change the file type to PPTX. This step is essential because PPTX is the format that Google Slides recognizes and can open directly. Without this conversion, the process may not work as expected, or your file may not retain all its original design elements. After changing the file format, it's time to save your work. By clicking Save, your file will now begin the conversion process and head straight to your Google Drive as a PPTX file. While this might take a minute or so depending on your design's complexity and the speed of your internet connection, rest assured your patience will soon be rewarded. Finally, your last action is to click on View in Google Drive. This option is a direct link to your file's new location in your drive. Here you can verify that your Canva design has been properly imported, adjust any settings if necessary, and open it directly in Google Slides. You've now completed the process and your Canva file is ready to be edited or presented in Google Slides. With this tutorial, moving from Canva to Google Slides can become a routine part of your workflow, enhancing both creativity and productivity. Now you're all set to deliver presentations that stand out with Canva's design finesse integrated perfectly into Google's presentation platform.